The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom and democracy, located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. It was a gift from the people of France to the United States and was dedicated on October 28, 1886. The statue was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. The statue depicts a robed female figure representing Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, holding a torch above her head and a tablet inscribed with the date of the American Declaration of Independence. The Statue of Liberty has come to represent hope and inspiration for people around the world and is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. The Statue of Liberty was originally intended to commemorate the friendship between the people of France and the United States during the American Revolution. The statue was constructed in France and then disassembled and shipped to the United States, where it was reassembled on a pedestal on Liberty Island. Over the years, the Statue of Liberty has undergone several renovations and restorations to maintain its structure and appearance. In addition to being a popular tourist destination, the Statue of Liberty has also played a role in American history and culture. For example, it was used as a symbol of hope during the Great Depression and World War II, and it has been the subject of numerous works of art, literature, and film. Today, the Statue of Liberty continues to be an important symbol of freedom and democracy, and it remains one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world.